So as you enter from the door, there's actually 2 bedrooms over here and the master room is over here. So the group of friends can be over here. The queen size is inside this room, the bunk bed is over there, and another queen size bed with a single on the floor over this room. So it's very well connected and feels spacious. Towels are provided. There is a wardrobe space, aircon in each room. There's also aircon in the living and dining space. The aircon is over here in this room. There's no window in this room though, but I think generally it still feels good. Okay, so we have checked into the homestay that we are staying in KL for the next 4 nights. So this is the kitchenette area. So it comes in with a microwave oven, there's pots and pans, cutleries and cups, and then let's see some of the cleaning items. There's dustbin, okay, more toilet rolls and stuff. There is an oven, but I don't think we will be using. Let's look what's on top. I mean, generally there's a lot of good food in KL, so I don't think we'll be cooking. There's a fridge here. Nothing, just an ice tray. Good size. The washing machine is hidden here, and there's a dryer. It'll be helpful if you need to do laundry. Overview of the dining and living area. Pretty spacious. If you have a big group, it'll be good. Overlooking outside. We are actually on the 16th floor, and you can have a good view of the KL Tower. And right on the right side, you can have a peek of the Twin Tower too. So we're in between the 2 iconic buildings, and if you take a look, actually in the corner, I'm not sure if you could see over maybe this side, you can see Luckin Coffee. But actually, if you once you exit, right, you turn to the left. There is a connecting bridge to the KLCC Pavilion, and so it's very convenient. We are actually in a very strategic location. So let's go and see the first bedroom. This is a common room, comes with a decent size, queen size bed, had a connecting bathroom, okay, and a shower room. Now this links to the other small bedroom. No windows, but it's a bunk bed setting. Comfortably can sleep 2. If you have a big group, this will be fitting. And going out, we are now back to the dining area. At this side, it will be the master room. So this one also seems to be a queen size bed. Comes with a single on the floor, a wardrobe. Okay, you can keep some of your clothing. Toilet, the master room toilet, and there is a bathtub with a shower screen. Okay, going back. So same view from the living room. There's a laundry right here. It would be just nice if you wish to hang your laundry. A welcome snack from the owner, which is very thoughtful. Here are some of the Malaysian childhood snacks for you. Feel free to take. Alright, and you can take this as your own home. And hope you enjoy the stay in KL. Love, Passion Home. Of course, Wi-Fi is very important, and they also have Netflix. And here's an overview.